Developing now, soon we'll be seeing those cooler temperatures here in Michiana, meaning some people may soon be kicking on the heat for the first time this season. 16 News Now reporter Carly Miller met with home comfort experts for safety reminders as the furnace is being put to use.
As cooler temperatures are fast approaching, so is the desire to turn on the furnace. Home comfort experts in Mishawaka says you should turn your furnace on now before it gets even colder.
Everyone turns it on the same morning or the same evening, and everybody calls whose furnace isn't working. Turn it on now. That way, if something isn't working, you can schedule it at your convenience.
There are things you can do to save money on your heating bill as you start using your furnace. Things like checking and changing the filter, setting your thermostat lower, having your furnace repaired or replaced if needed, and having a professional tune-up each year.
When it comes to taking the doors off the furnace, leave it to a professional. The easiest way to describe a furnace is it is a controlled fire inside your home.
It's also important to know that a furnace burns gas and could produce a dangerous level of carbon monoxide if not properly monitored. And symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning can often be mistaken for the flu.
If you do not have a carbon monoxide monitor in your home, you are literally taking a chance every single time you turn on a gas appliance. And I don't care if that gas appliance was just installed or if it's 30 years old. If you don't have one, get one. If you have one, check it.
With COVID-19, Home Comfort Experts is being extra careful as they visit people's homes for service and also offers ways to improve your home's air quality.
We're able to put a UV light like a Remy Halo inside of your ductwork. What this actually does is actively seeks out your entire house and kills on contact bacteria and viruses and everything else.
As you start using your furnace, make sure to keep all of these things in mind so you and your family stay safe. Reporting in Mishawaka, I'm Carly Miller, 16 News Now.